Okay, so we had an example of passage planning using ICDIS. It is called OpenCPN. It is free. So it is from Mandawi, Cebu to Baybay, Liti. There are two gibbons, the departure point and arrival points. So let's jump to our PC and go to our OpenCPN. Okay, so in OpenCPN, let's go to a familiar ground. Let's go somewhere in Mandawi. So zoom in, and then using your mouse, right click, and then new route, left click to make a waypoint, and then another left click. Okay, so right click and then in route. Okay, what is the purpose of these two waypoints? These two waypoints is just a drop to know the correct position of our departure point and of course the arrival point. Okay, so using these two waypoints, we have to establish again the arrival and the departure. Okay, so let's correct this one as for our departure point. So right click and then properties. So where are this? Of course, this is the incorrect coordinates. So where is the correct coordinates? It is of course on the given problem. The problem is that it is 19.6. That is the departure point for latitude. So just highlight, Control C to copy, and then go back here, and then Control B to paste, and then go back again to given question. What is that one? Longitude is 1, 2, 3, 10. Control C to copy, and then Control B to paste. Okay, double check. Double check. Looking good. How about in the longitude? Longitude. Now, if you'd notice, guys, if you'd notice, this is the draft. So the position is located somewhere here. But if I say okay, and boom, where are you now? Where are you now? It's changed to its correct coordinate. Okay, so we have already established our departure point. It is somewhere in Mandawi, between Mandawi and Opon. Okay, so we will now establish our the arrival point. So what is our arrival point? It is not correct. It is not correct, right? So we have to correct it. So where is it? Where is the correct coordinate? Of course, it is on the given question. The given question says 1040.0. So just highlight and then Control C to copy, and then go to this one and then right click and then properties, and then control B to paste. Okay, looking good. And then back to the given question, longitude 124, control C to copy, control B to paste, double check. Hmm, it's not good, so we will try to correct it. So 1040, right? 1040, this one. Oh, 1040. So wala 10. 10. Okay, double check again. 1040 and then 12446. 1040, 124. Okay, so it's now looking good. Okay, so just say okay. Now take note, guys. This is the position, and boom. Now where are you? Where are you? It now goes to its correct coordinates, which is by Leyte. Okay. Now the next step is, of course, to learn if you have not passed any shallow water or any obstruction. Okay. So zoom in, zoom in. Just use your mouse wheel going up. Okay. Oh, it is indeed going in a shallow water, people. So we have to edit. We have to edit. To how to edit is simple. Just point your cursor, mouse somewhere here where you want to edit, and then right click and then insert waypoint. Just say no, and then this one. Of course, we have to edit to the right one, so that we will not be passing shallow water or any obstruction. I think this one. 18.6, that a shallow water. 11, 9.4, so we have to go somewhere here. All right, so I think this is good. Okay, this is good. So from this waypoint to this waypoint, there are no shallow water so far. There is no obstruction. So looking good. So we have to check again to until to our arrival point. Zoom out. Okay, that thing, there is no obstruction. We are on track of shallow water, no, the deep water. So next step is you have to take an evidence. So how to make an evidence? Window shape is, okay, window shape is, and then okay, pwedeng putulin naman, pwedeng putulin, and then go back to PowerPoint or Word, whatever you are working with. So, so this one, then paste. Okay, so there you are. There is your first evidence that indeed you are working with your passage planning. Okay. Okay, next is let's just for now take it out or minimize. So in the left hand side, on the left hand side of OpenCPN, there is route and mark manager. That's just double click it, and there you go. Oops, double click it. Oops, double click it. Not double click. One click lang. So this one, unnamed route, double click. I hope. All right. So double click. So again, you have to make an evidence that this is your waypoints that you have just created. So how to make an evidence? Just a window shift S, and all right. So there you go, and then boom. This one. Okay. So I have a blank slide here, and then paste. Okay. So maybe larger. Okay, so there you go. There is your first no, this is my example for our exercises. Okay, so again, I am doing this one on just save, and then I am doing this one on a familiar ground, which is the province of Cebu. Okay, so on your task is given on the next slides. So thank you and goodbye, people.